talagang na-realize ko ngayon mga mare, always choose happiness dahil hindi talaga natin alam kung kailan yung buhay natin. Piliin natin maging mabuting tao, piliin natin maging masaya kasi hindi talaga natin alam kung kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord, kung hanggang saan at kailan lang tayo. Huwag natin hayaan yung sarili natin na ikulong sa lungkot. Huwag natin hayaan yung sarili natin na ma-stress. Hayaan na rin din natin yung problema na yung mamblema sa atin. Kasi alam mo yun, parang hindi talaga natin alam yung ating mga buhay. Para at least kahit kunin naman tayo ni Lord or kung doon ba talaga tayo pupunta, meron tayong mga masasayang nangyari sa buhay natin. Yung mga ganun. Oo, mahirap din naman talaga maging isang tao mga mare. Marami rin talaga mga kailangang pagdaanan, marami mga problema. Pero ayun nga, pagka meron tayong mga problema, siguro isipin na lang natin yung mga masasayang nangyari sa buhay natin para hindi na tayo ma-stress. Kaya sabi ko nga, life is too short, kaya always choose happiness. And always choose to be a good person, ganun. So, yun lang naman yung mga naging realization ko ngayon, yung mga nangyayari ngayon, mga ganun, basta. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. See you on my next vlog.
Find a song to get me through the long and lonely nights. But when you're here, it's clear to me the shadows are alright. You're a sign of better nights ahead. Saying I'll take care of you. You'll take care of me. Whatever we are going through, we can let it be. We'll take care of it, just you and me. Take care of it, just you and me. I'll take care of you. You'll take care of me. Whatever we are going through, we can let it be. We'll take care of it. Saying I'll take care of you, and you'll take care of me. Whatever we are going through, we can let it be. I'll take care of it, just you and me. We'll take care of it, just you and me. Take care of it, just you and me.